The pig.
What's your name?
Uncle Lady.
0936.
It's
Hulog na yung cellphone.
na Master Maxi. Naming na Master. Naming Master.
Master.
Na Master. Na Master Maxi. Live in the Philippines. Where's the pig?
Dead na na raw.
There are 3 deads. We got 3 pigs left. What's happening to the pig, Uncle Eddie?
The KB hostel and always if you
Slaughtered.
want to cooking.
Yeah, slaughtered. Like
Recipes.
I like
If you want to cook,
I like going home, but now
what do you want to like? Cook
I
for
am
a pig?
me.
Huh?
So I'm according to your channel. Oops. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's starting. Going through the green fire.
Yes.
Nag-play na siya?
Follow the fires, but wait a minute. Still chloride. Hey, Kuya, and also Rabia's not there. Yep, I like. How many friends?
Don't speak English because my nose is bleeding.
ABCD of I say the letters of the alphabet. ABCD of There's the intestine, the rib, stomach, and also Samsung. I don't know. Okay. That's the sun. There's the sun. Okay. Here comes the pig slaughtering. During the time we suffocated. They're practical.
What?
That's so very radical. I am me. Where's the pig?
Did na, nasa kano. Wait already, oh. The pig is...
Oh my gosh, there's an earthquake.
Yeah.
Attention. There's an earthquake.
Quick, no!
Attention.
Mahulog pa, pull down na yung cellphone.
Estimated magnitude 6.7.
Oy, simba ko.
From where? From where?
Damot.
What?
What's happening to the pig? Where's the pig? I need to make lumpia first.
Ay, lapit ki bang?
It'll make me suffocated. What's going on? It's getting almost Monday in here. What's the school?
Ay, pain na ninyo. Wala na nagsiga.
Still lights there. Yeah. Look, dog. Where's the pig go?
Paunasan ng pork stick ka pa kaya.
Where's the pig?
Yeah.
Oh, look. He's making
Wang tambo
fire
ka.
soon, like hydrogen.
Yeah.
We're looking like oxygen. Oh no. Nitrogen, I forgot of this. I am trying the pig. He's trying to master through the team. Mates. Start to go out. But I saw it.
2 inches? 2 by 2?
Alright.
Nipis.
This guy there. This guy gonna fill up. Alright, this guy's doing like a katana ninjas. Okay. Referee. Referee. Yeah. You're referee. Sometimes it'll be the end. Oh look. Where did you go, Dad?
Saan naman nga? Galabit-labit naman.
Everything's gonna be alright.
What's happening to the pig?
Kaya kaya mo! Lengthwise naman na, dili naman na si Tubay ito.
Ah, tubay ko yung gusto. Okay. Dapat stay kami. Everything's gonna be alright.
Hala.
Hindi yung cheeser.
Naiwakwak. With the witch. Look. Whoa. 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 Look. There's a witch.
What's your name?
Uncle Eddie. Look at the dog. He's not slaughtering. He's just like Bucko. We're probably fine.
Magamit pa na mami.
It's a 10-minute long video.
Magkipot mo sa mami. Magkipot mo sa mami.
It's from the fiesta. Typically,
Perfect.
look at that. Look. What's happening to the pig? Look out for the pig. Oh no, that's a pig. Destructive. Oh no. And it's similar to as the
Alright?
birthday Camille.
What happened to you?
Similar as the birthday Camille. I just like K. A moon. Perfect.
Noy, wala ka
Huh?
kuwan sa pagkuha sa pagmangutara, di ba?
Look at that.
Wala sa ipnoy.
A witch.
Ang important ni malipay ta.
That was great. I think that's the pig slaughter from coming the date. It's been like 4 and 25 milligiga hours. Or like to continue the screen while not overheating. Oh look. About to hear with Eddie. With me. Let's try another pig.
Ito kaya, yabon na ba ito?
Ay, kumba ba? Ay, lamin yung sinugba ba? Di ba?
Uncle Eddie? Ang pa sa baka mahusunog ka di ah?
Oh no. They make us far away.
Far away.
What happens if I go far?
Ulog dasing.
You're a master. You're a master?
Naginom ka Diyos. Rans? Naginom ka Diyos? Ay, mapunog ka di ah. Ayo, ay na kasi.
What's happening? The ribs. You just try a Minecraft mod called butchering. You just try, it's a butcher. It's a,
No, butcher oh. This one. Is already butcher.
no, that was a butcher. Maybe not.
It's already butcher. Eh, gugo na kay Mutiil oh.
This pig. No. Alright. The feed for the pig.
Awag ya ba?
Slaughtered in the next Saturday morning. Oh no. I'm careful. And feet. Look. Ay.
Tore.
Na, sige. Circumcise na na.
Na Master Maxi.
Upstairs kay. You know that. You cut it. I cut your
No, it's a tingnan nito. Circumcise.
I cut the ribbon.
Okay.
I cut your ribbon naman inuunuban.
I cut your ribbon gift boxes. Either will look like. Oh no. How about the 1 hour video?
Ito Ransbe.
We have iced tea. What's happening to the shovel? I show it. Wait, what's happening? Aaron Splinter. This is from Aaron Splinter. So after guys, momentarily.
Yes.
Look at my hair. I'm just thinking about. Look, okay. It's making light. He's making a tea soon. What's happening to the pig, Papalo? Hey, Rabia has got a level for the frog.
Roldan.
That's a frog.
I think you are